a 2-ingredient slime, and yeah, it's 2 ingredients, which you probably have at home, and like, yeah, it's really easy, so let's just get into the great ingredients. So the first ingredient is some Play-Doh. This is the base of this slime. It's kind of gonna be like spread like butter slime, I guess, but you can have however you want, so yeah, so that's what you're gonna need. Oh, also, sorry, my hair's really bad today, but yeah, you're also gonna be needing lotion. You actually don't need that much. You don't need it a lot. I just don't know what I'm gonna pick yet, so let's just get started. So first thing, you're gonna open your Play-Doh and take it out, obviously. And you can mess with it a little bit so it's softer, but whatever, I don't need to really do that. And next, plus don't make it smell good. Next, you're just gonna add your lotion. So I think I'm gonna add Be Enchanted by Bath & Body Works into it first, at least. So if you can't see that, I did that much, which I don't think you guys could see that. And you're just gonna squeeze it all around. Oh, where am I laying it? I think I have to do this over the table. It makes weird noises and it's just really gross, but it will eventually absorb it and it will mix out and then you'll see the difference. And you can add as much as you want. I don't really know how much I'm gonna add yet because you never know. Can you please get out? My sister is in here. Yeah, just take one. You can take this one. No, you can take that one. Please get out. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna come back and put this in there. Okay, can you please shoot the other? Close the door, please. My sister, sorry. So I can already see the texture and I can feel it. The texture has changed a lot. Well, so, okay, so now, it's easier to spread. Guys, look at that already. I only added a little bit. I think it's way different than last time, I think. Whatever. So, yes, you're just gonna keep doing that. And, I guess I'm not gonna do this fast motion. I'm not gonna do this fast forward. Well, I might, but probably not, because if I do, then it's because I realize that it's really boring to watch. I just wanna go, so I can go with you guys. So, sorry, I got a notification. So, you guys can go with me if you need to. You can also pause the video if you need to, but, yeah. But you don't have to, you can just, whatever, okay. And later I'm going to do a video, because I haven't done videos lately, I'm going to do 2 one day. I'm going to do how to make, what's it called? Play-Doh. Make your own Play-Doh out of 2 ingredients. Okay, so, I see the difference, and I don't want to change it too bad, because, yeah. One tip, do not mix slime with Play-Doh. It turns out horrible. Grab your Play-Doh and put little pieces of slime at a time if you want to do that. Yeah, so, guys, okay, so, this is kind of strict. It's not stretchy yet, because like that. It breaks. It does not smell good. I'm going to say this Parison Charm at the bottom here, too. Okay. Sorry, my brother is kind of like that. Okay, so I'm going to add a little more because this video is getting way too long. And yeah, this is just pretty much what you do. You do not a bit a lot if you don't want to make it like slimy, but add a lot if you want slime, because it's like, okay, it's not exactly slime, but it is pretty much slime. You add a lot. And because I don't want to like make this video so long. So, yeah, out of like, let's see, 2 ingredients. Sorry, zoom from there. 2 ingredients, and that's pretty good actually right now, but I'm going to change that, and I'm going to make it super slimy, I might do an update on it. You never know. So, bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and comment, because the question of the day is, what's your favorite color? Oh, no, but that's not favorite color, actually. I don't know, I didn't do it today. What's your favorite scent of lotion? Yeah. So, bye guys. See you later in my next video. Bye.